Is your sink draining slower than molasses in January? At Environmental Plumbing, we're here to clear your drain clogging blues with green solutions. Our Ottawa-based crew has over 35 years of experience, and not just any experience, green, clean, and super keen. We fix your plumbing and protect Mother Earth, one pipe at a time. First, we zoom into the problem with our video inspection. It's like CSI, clog scene investigation. We pinpoint the culprit before we strike. If it's just a knot, or a nasty buildup, we'll snake it out with our electric eel, or rather, electric snake, cutting through gunk like a hot knife cuts through butter. Next, we'll flush the pipes to rinse away the debris. For those tougher blockages, we may use a device like the air snake to remove the blockage with air pressure. This tool is especially handy on drain lines with narrower paths, where our snakes can't otherwise reach. And for the big stuff, grease, sludge, tree roots, we call on our high-pressure hero, hydrojetting. It's basically a Category 5 hurricane rainfall in your pipes, blasting away buildup and flushing it clean without harsh chemicals. We wrap it up with one last video check. Think of it as a drain selfie, and voila! Clear, odor-free drains. We even back it up with a 30-day warranty. That's our flow guarantee. Let's keep our planet and your wallets greener together. So don't sit there letting your sink, well, sink. You deserve better. Call Environmental Plumbing for drain cleaning that's fast, friendly, and fearlessly eco-friendly. We'll banish those clogs and stop your plumbing from going down the drain. Call us at 613-762-1969 or book online now and get $20 off, because smooth flow shouldn't cost you more dough.